Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the KKTONER PU Leather Round Rolling Stool in pink. This stool is not just your ordinary seating, it's a game changer for various settings, from salons to home offices. Let's start with its design and functionality. The 360-degree swivel feature ensures seamless movement without having to adjust the stool's position manually. Thanks to the adjustable gas lift, finding the perfect height is a breeze. Whether you're working on a client's hair or getting inked in a tattoo studio, this stool keeps you comfortably within reach. Speaking of comfort, the thick foam-padded seat and soft cushion provide excellent back support, alleviating pressure during long sessions. Plus, the chrome footrest adds an extra layer of relaxation, making it ideal for extended periods of use. With a maximum load-bearing capacity of 250 pounds, durability is never compromised. Assembly is a snap with the included screws and instructions, and cleaning is hassle-free, ensuring your stool remains pristine even after heavy use. Just remember to remove the black safety cap from the hydraulic pump before installation for smooth operation. Measuring at 17.32 inches in diameter and 16.14 inches in width, with a height ranging from 18 to 25 inches, this stool fits seamlessly into any space without taking up too much room. The modern design with chrome finish adds a touch of elegance to any environment. In summary, the KKTONER PU Leather Round Rolling Stool is a versatile seating solution that combines comfort, durability, and style. Whether you're a professional in a salon or simply need a reliable chair for your home office, this stool has got you covered. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade your seating experience with the KKTONER PU Leather Round Rolling Stool today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.